Hi everyone. Today I'd like to talk about the Aussie dollar, which I last spoke about on the 31st of July. So as usual, I'd like to start off with the higher time frames. Um, in my last video, I spoke about this area in the monthly chart, right? This is the monthly chart in Aussie. That this area is an area which the Aussie dollar must punch through. Failing to do so, we might see some retracements. It's actually doing that, but since testing the high of 0.8058, price has been relatively slow, and I suspect that it's due to the investors wanting to see what are the further developments in the Australian economy. And I believe that in 3 minutes time we're going to have the Royal Bank of Australia monetary policy statement coming out, plus the retail sales. These two news should be able to move the Aussie dollars a bit, but we just have to wait a bit and see. Now the next time frame I would like to talk about is the daily chart. The daily chart is still stuck inside this small space of resistance and support. It's like a tiny triangle stuck between here. That just tells me it's just waiting for news. This is a news pattern. They don't move much, they go sideways. So this has been the story of the Aussie dollar for the past how many days? Nearly 2 weeks already. It's just stuck in a very tight range. Now what I want to focus on is this. If you remember in my last video, I spoke about two places to look for possible buys. One was the 0.7913 and one was the 0.7947. Well, yesterday price came to test this support first, because I was looking into time, and there were possibilities that it didn't move, it stuck, it goes sideways, and it can test either here or here. But price moved a bit faster, so this was the place that I was looking at to test, and you could see the moment it tested 0.7913, it just went up, further up. So if you're in the trade, congratulations, you probably would have caught it anywhere around yesterday. I think one of the good place to catch was 0.7926. I would really advise people who are in this trade to actually protect your trades first, because we're going through some heady news. Having said that, your first profit level target was 0.7947, which probably you would have caught it already too. This was the short-term support and the short-term resistance. So that move was completed yesterday with your first target all hit. So we will see going on in the future how to work on the Aussie. Now for Aussie to really be on continuous uptrend, I need it to be closing above 0.8. Now apart from being a physical number, 0.8, if prices are able to close above here, then we would have a close above the swing high. So a swing high here would be good, and it tells us a continuous trend. Now the numbers are out. We could see just now, early on we were talking, the prices were coming down and shooting up again. I have to check and see what are the results. Yeah, retail sales shows better than expected at 0.3 versus forecast of 0.2%. Well, news being news, I prefer things to settle down. What you see in the first minute of release doesn't mean it's real. How to say, a general guideline for people who are trading news, at least to wait for 5 minutes to see where is the real direction. After 5 minutes, usually the next best time would be 1 hour after the news release. But we're having our more monetary policy statement, so anything can happen while the governor is speaking. So whatever it is, look out for this number. Remember, if I see Aussie above here in next few days, then I'll be looking to continue my buys. Whatever it is, those that have caught the buy here, congratulations. Now protect this trade here, because anytime this can come down and wipe you out. That's news, man. So all the best in your Aussie trading today, and I'll update as things goes.